Hello, respectable Jendoux users. I know you're here because you want to read smart. If you have a laptop or a netbook without a mouse device, today I'm going to show you a tip on how to use Jendoux reading web pages without using a mouse conveniently. Let's take a look. Jendoux is a web application for reading dedicated to computers, not for mobile devices or tablets. So you need to have at least a keyboard if you don't have a mouse. So now my mouse is away from my page. I'm purely using my keyboard to navigate my page. So you can use your down arrow to navigate down to your page, or page down. You can have a general look on the impression of the page, about the length of the page, and to see the pictures, to grasp an idea of this page. After you have a glimpse on the page, you want to start reading. What you do is you press the Tab key to activate the first player. Press your space button and it will start playing. Now you probably don't want to detail read this story. You just want to skim read through it to see whether you are interested in reading this or not, and you want to save time. What you do is you press Alt key and press 1. That means the first mode. Remember that there are 4 modes. The first mode is skip mode. The second mode is climb mode. That means the words moving upwards, and the crawl mode is the third mode that moves to the left direction, and the final mode is still mode that displays all the text in original layout. Remember, hold the Alt key and then press 1, that's for the skip mode, and then Alt key press 2, that's for the climb mode, and Alt key press 3, that's for the crawl mode, etc. So let's return back to the skip mode. Let's press the Tab key to activate the player, and then let's start playing. You have finished reading the text in the first player. You can press down and keep start browsing. And if you press the tab again, the second player will be focused. Obviously, the text in the player has overflown from the container. So what you can do is you hold the Control key and then press left arrow, and then you can decrease the size of the player. Now all the text is in your view and you can start playing it. If you feel too fast, you can press the comma key to decrease the speed. You can certainly read that again by pressing the space button to play again. Press the Tab key again to focus on the next text player, and then press space button. And you can Shift Tab to return back to the last player you have played, and press the space button. If you want to return back to the initial position, you want to see the first lines in the player, what you do is you press the backspace. Now the text has been back to initial position. The text in this player is rather long, and you found something interesting and you want to detailedly read it. You can press the left arrow to rewind to the position that you want to detail read, and right arrow to fast forward, back arrow to rewind. Simple as that. And now you can change to the climb mode by pressing 2, number 2. Remember, you press Alt 2 to change all players in this page. And just pressing 2, you can change this individual player to climb mode without affecting the modes for the other players. And when you start playing now, the text scrolls up. If you still feel it's too fast and you want to improve your focus, you can press number 3 key to turn it to crawl mode, and now it starts to move horizontally. When you finish the text in this player, you can keep pressing the down key and then press tab and press the space button to keep playing out the text in these players. So this is how I skim read and scroll read newspapers every day. I finish reading 2 papers, the Washington Post and Daily Mail within half an hour. How's that? What do you think? Imagine you use Jendoux reading news article on your laptop, on a train or at a coffee shop. People will get so jealous when they see you reading so happily. You have the choice to tell them or keep it a secret to yourself and make them respect you forever. So that's all for today. If you have any question regarding to the use of Jendoux, do feel free to write comments down below. I will be very happy to answer. See you next time.